Want a cleaner, custom look for your vehicle, all without breaking the bank? Do we have the product for you? In just a few moments, you're about to watch us install our Precut Chrome Delete Kit, but what you might not know is that Tech Designs also offers a wide variety of vehicle-specific pre-cut automotive film kits. So from headlight and taillight tints to PPF and chrome deletes, our kits are designed to be easy to install, give you that premium, higher trim look, and do it all without breaking the bank. So if you haven't already, click the link down below to go to bogartechdesigns.com, grab your pre-cut kit today, and let's get started with the installation video.
Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in today's video, we have this Cadillac CT5, and we're going to do the side chrome delete installation for this vehicle. So this is how the side panel looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So we use the gloss black material in order to black out the entire side panel. Link for the product will be provided below. With that being said, let's start with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation, we need to make sure we prep the entire side panel. So we're going to need slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. If you're not able to remove all the contaminants with just using the slip solution, you can use TAC solution as well. TAC solution just contains 70% isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. But if you're able to remove everything with just the slip solution, you should be good. So grab your slip solution, spray it onto the clean microfiber towel, and just go throughout the entire panel. Make sure you open the door. That way you're able to get the edges here, clean them off, and also clean around the surrounding area, like the paint, the top, and the edges. That way if the film does touch the paint or anywhere else, it doesn't catch any contaminants. So clean everything, and then once you're done prepping, make sure that everything's completely dry. That way the adhesive on the film is able to tack down. Okay, so for this video, since we are doing the passenger side section of the vehicle, we are going to get the passenger side kit. So we're going to start off with the first piece that covers the top section here. So it would be the only piece that looks like a curve like this, which is the top one here. So that would be piece number one. So once you finish with the prep and you grab piece number one, we can start with the installation. So just place the film onto the chrome panel, that way it doesn't fall off. And we're going to start by lining this section here of the chrome on this area right here. So make sure you give yourself enough material to cover this section here, and material to cover the top and the bottom. So what you can do is align it as close to the edge as possible here. Give yourself enough material in the bottom section, just like that. And then the rest of the material will wrap around to cover the top chrome here, since there is a lot of chrome exposed on top. So once you align it here, you just lift the film and use the bottom half as a guide to align the rest of the film here. And you can give yourself a little bit of material to cover just the bottom section here. You don't need too much, just a little bit. So lift, place it, and then just follow through to the other end. So you just go ahead and grab your squeegee, start tacking down the film, help remove any air that's trapped underneath the film. Make sure apply a good amount of pressure on your squeegee to help remove all of the air underneath. And then once we help remove the air, we're going to help it tack down on top. Help it tack down with a little bit of heat, that way it stays tacked down and it doesn't lift over time. And also for the bottom section. So once you finish tacking it down and you remove all the air that's trapped underneath the film, now we apply heat. You can use a heat gun or a hairdryer in order to apply heat and seal the top edge. So we're just going to apply heat throughout this entire top section. And then the last piece to focus on, or the last section to focus on, would be this section here, since we need to cover the chrome on the edge right here. So just grab your heat device and just be careful. Use the lowest setting on your heat device and just apply heat, help it tack down. You will need to pull this to the side in order to help it wrap around the chrome right here. So start from one end and work your way to the other end. And now we have coverage. So just do this throughout the entire panel until you reach to the other end. So after you apply heat, that's when we do the stretch. So right now the film is loose like this. So now we just need to stretch it and cover it. Just like that. And then to avoid these fingers here, just do a light stretch. That way it stays flat like this. And then we just need to make sure it stays like that by applying heat. After you apply heat, the film should start molding to the design of the curve here. Let it cool down for a couple seconds. Just use your hand or your fingers to help it tack down so it can stay secure and it doesn't lift. And then apply heat again. And we're just helping it stay sealed around the edge here. And before we trim off the excess material, we're just gonna let it cure for a bit. So while this is curing, we'll just trim off the excess material on the top section right here, since we do have excess material in this section here. So all this material is extra. So when you trim it off, there's a small gap here where we can insert a blade and just trim off. Okay, so now we're moving on to piece number 2. Piece number 2 is for the bottom section here for the front door. It's the only piece that looks like this shape of the film in the front section. So you'll know right away once you see it that this piece is for the bottom piece due to the mirror being on the section where the chrome is located. So to align it, you could call them the teeth, and align them to the curve here. So this goes here and then follow the shape. So place it onto the chrome and just align it on the curve here. So it should be like this. When you're placing it, align the curve right here. Chrome is covered, should be good. And then carefully lift the film and just continue on with the alignment. And for this one, you will use the bottom half to align the rest of the film. This section here is going to be lifting like this. That's fine. We'll use our squeegee to help it tuck underneath. So just start here, start tagging down with our squeegee, help it cover this area here. And then same process here, we're going to apply a little bit of heat to help it wrap around this curve right here to cover the chrome, just like that. But before we do that, just focus on applying pressure with your squeegee and removing all the air underneath the film. And with this one, you could tuck in the film underneath the panel right here. And once you finish tagging down the film and you help remove all of the air bubbles that's trapped underneath the film, apply heat throughout the entire panel here. That way we help it seal and tack down on the top and on the bottom section. That way it doesn't lift over time. We're going to lift it, hold it, apply heat. That way help loosen the film and then slowly help it tack down on the curve. Make sure not to crease the film. Lift it and just apply heat. Do a light stretch and we should be good here. And this is just excess material we could tuck in underneath here. And then we'll focus on trimming off the excess material around this area here. But before we do that, we're going to repeat the same process as how we did it for the top section. Repeat the same process for the edge right here. And just create an outline with your finger. That way you know exactly where to trim off this excess material. So once you create that outline, go ahead into your blade like this and trim off the material you don't need. So it should come off like that. So just do this throughout the entire panel. Take your time. And then once you finish trimming off the entire excess material on this end, don't forget about the edge here. So same process. So when it comes to the installation for the rear door, you could do the same process or the same steps as how we did it for the front door. So for piece number 3 and 4, just do the same thing that we did for 1 and 2. So piece number 3 is this one here. It's more like a curve, goes for the top, and then the bottom piece here is for this one. So just make sure you give yourself enough room to cover the chrome here and to cover the chrome on this edge here. So you will need to have the door open to cover the chrome, 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 chrome. So same steps, align it from one end, tuck it down, use the lower section as a guide to align the rest of the film, squeegee the film, apply heat, tuck in on top, secure here, here, and then heat, and then trim. Okay, so now we're moving on to the last piece of the side chrome delete. So with this one, you want to start by aligning the film to this section of the panel right here. So just make sure you align it like this, right on the curve, and make sure as you're aligning it, you just kind of lay it down to see if you're going to cover everything. If you see that you should be good, then everything should come out good, and aligning it on this area right here. So once it's tacked down here, lift it carefully and just use the bottom half here as a guide to align the top one, and for this one here, use the top one instead to align the rest of the film. And now we're carefully just going to start tacking it down. You could use your finger like this, or you could use your squeegee, whatever you feel more comfortable with. And all we're doing is just helping remove all of the air that's trapped underneath the film. And that's pretty much it. Make sure that everything's flat. You remove all the air that's trapped underneath the film. And now we just need to apply heat to start sealing everything, and we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. So once you finish with the entire installation, the last thing to do is to post heat the entire panel. So we're going to use our heat device. You can use the highest setting on your device. Just make sure if you do use the highest setting not to focus on one area for too long. That way we don't accidentally burn the film. So to be safe, just use the lowest setting, apply heat evenly throughout the entire panel. Take your time, that way will help the adhesive activate faster. And then once you're done applying heat and pulse heating everything, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the side chrome delete installation for the Cadillac CT5. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. Make sure you subscribe and turn on that notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Check out our other CT5 chrome kits and tint kits for this vehicle. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.